Okay, so we're going to solve this problem here. It says the population of the world in 1987 was 5 billion, and the relative growth rate was estimated at 2% per year. So assuming that the world population follows an exponential growth model, find the projected world population in 1995. So we're going to enter answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so we're going to start out with the equation here. This is going to be P sub t, or P of t. So the total population is going to be the initial population, P0, times e to the kt, and in this case, k is our growth rate, so we want that as a decimal, and then P0 is going to be our initial population, and t is the number of years. So in this case, P sub 0, our initial population is going to be 5, and that's 5 billion. Okay. Our k is going to be 2%, which as a decimal is going to be 0.02. And then our time, in this case, is going to be the number of years, but it's the number of years since it was 5 billion. So the number of years since 1987. And so we add 3 years to that, it's going to be 1990. And another 5 years, so in this time our t is going to be 8. So that's the number of years since 1987. So from 1987 to 1995 would be 8 years. Okay, and so all we're going to do now is we're just going to calculate that. We're going to put in all these values and calculate this, the total population. So P of 8, in this case, our t is 8, so P of 8 is going to be the initial population of 5 billion times e to the k, and our k is 0.02, and then our t here is going to be 8 years, so times 8. And so, so we have P of 8 is going to be 5 times e to the, so that's going to be 0.16, e to the 0.16. And so we'll just go ahead and calculate that. So we'll put that into there. Here we go. So P after 8 years is going to be 5.87. And that's a billion people.